Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday, you guys. Welcome and welcome back to another vlog. If you are new, my name is LaMonica. I do lifestyle and beauty videos here on my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. So y'all, it's been a busy weekend, but I didn't get a chance to pick up my camera. But today is Sunday. It is Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all of the men out there. Even if you're not a biological father, happy Father's Day to you for being a role model, a mentor, whatever part you play in someone's life as that male figure.
And if you haven't already become a father, but you have the intentions on being a father, happy Father's Day in advance. Happy Father's Day.
So we are actually leaving church, heading to go hang out with our dads. We're very grateful for this opportunity. And I don't know what we're gonna get into. Eat, chill, laugh, and enjoy this weather. Let me know down below what you guys did on Father's Day and how you celebrated the men in your lives. So yeah, that's today. Yesterday, I think I put some clips in from a charity event for a alumni or like a school organization or whatever. We did that and I had a good time with our grandmother on this 360 camera thing. It's been really, really fun. So put some clips in about that, but I'll check in with you guys when we see what we're gonna do with our dads. What's up, you guys? Yesterday I didn't even pick back up the camera. I was just enjoying time with family and it was so much fun. So today I'm doing a little shopping. I'm actually looking for something though. I have an event to go to and I'm looking for some shoes. I have a dress, but I'm not really like confident in that dress just yet. I think I want to get another type of dress, but we'll see. So taking you guys along with me to do a little shopping today. I'm not wearing any mascara because yesterday I had on mascara and this eye was like just kept watering up and like seemed like something was in my eye. So if I look like a naked mole rat, then that's why. But so yeah, let's check out a couple of stores, see what's the dealio. And I'll catch back in with you guys as I'm looking and seeing what's out here. So I got it with brown sugar as well as brown sugar cold foam. It don't taste bad. You definitely taste the matcha. I usually get green tea matcha with raspberry pumps. That is bomb. But oh, I did coconut milk this time. Usually I do almond milk. So that's why that's probably the coconut taste I'm tasting. But it's not bad. So my husband had to join the shoe show. So check out his New Balance. All right, y'all, brunch is done. It's pretty delicious. Now I have the itis, but what's a trip or a day out without hitting up Marshalls? So that is what we're doing right now. Hitting up a Marshalls.
Did we ever see the chairs here?
I got one down here.
How you guys doing?
It's time to go in the house. It's $500 to step outside.
I done
The
blew.
camera's on me. It's not facing you. It is $500 to step outside. Why? Just necessities too. Household items. This inflation is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. You can't even be outside for 5 minutes. You cannot be outside for 5 minutes and not spend $20. Like, that's crazy to me. Back in the day, $5.
We done ran through a tank of gas in 2 days.
$5 to get you a lot. Like, this is crazy. Oh my goodness. All right, so back from the store, and I'm gonna show you guys some of the items that I picked up, starting with these 2 grocery items. So this I actually received in a box from my job, and to like try it out, like healthy snacks. These are the Made Good granola minis, strawberry flavored. It's 5 packs in this box, but these are pretty good to have as like a quick, like healthy snack. They only have 100 calories and they're 2 grams of protein. So all the nutritional facts on the back here, but these are pretty good. So when I saw these in Wegmans, I was like, oh yeah. I actually had them in my Amazon cart. So picked up these. Also wanted to try this cold brew. So this is the Califia Farms cold brew coffee with oat milk. It has caramel oat latte flavored, dairy free. So excited to try this. Let me know down below if you tried these 2 snacks. These are 2 new snacks that I'm adding to my faves. So that is all the food items. I'm going to talk about this bracelet next. So I picked up a bracelet from Alex and Ani, and I actually have it on here so I can show you guys what I'm talking about. So I love wearing gold, but I also wanted to do like a mixed metal with silver and gold. So I figured this bracelet was like perfect because it has silver and like some gold beading on it. And so like I can like mix and match the days that I want to do gold and silver. So this is what I picked up from Alex and Ani. Super cute. I think it goes really well. Mix and match metals. Do you mix and match metals, golds and silvers on your like jewelry, like body jewelry? I know we all tend to mix metals with furniture pieces or decor pieces, but it's our first time mixing it with my like bracelets and things like that. So that is that. Also, I found this Tabitha Brown dress in my, hopefully it fits. I'll let you guys know how the fit goes, but it's this orange dress. I think it's so cute. All of her items has, most of the dress items have pockets, and so I love pockets. That's why I got so excited when this was in my size left. But it's like this back out piece, little knot in the back. It's real long, and the sleeves are like this puffy thing. You can wear them off the shoulder or on the shoulder. So I will let you guys know how this fits. Make sure you follow me over on Instagram. That's where I do the postings of outfits and things like that. So make sure you follow me there. It'll be listed on the screen. You guys saw me trying on some shoes. Those first pair of shoes, baby, comfort is all I gotta say. But I ended up choosing these. They're by the brand Marc Fisher. And I ended up choosing these. They're so cute. I don't own any shoes that have like a square toe. I know that's like a trendy thing now with this little small square heel. And it has like this little razzle dazzle. But I thought these are really, really cute to wear to like an elegant event. But we'll see if it goes with what I'm going for. But these are a pretty cute shoe. So cute. So yeah, pick those up. I actually had to go a half size up. For some reason, this particular style of Marc Fisher shoe ran a little small. But I know that some Marc Fisher, I think I have a pair of Marc Fisher shoes, and I'm not sure if I had to get that size, my right size, which is a 7.5 or 8. I try to get 8 in like a lot of like high heel shoes because you're gonna be walking in them and stuff. But I had to get an 8.5 in these. Had to get an 8.5 in those, and they fit. They were actually a good fit. So pick those up. Last but not least that I want to share with you guys is what I got from Bath & Body Works. So we know that the Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale is going on. Honestly, I don't even know when it's over, but when I went to this particular Bath & Body Works store, it was so much stuff in there, like to the point where it was all these like wallflowers just sitting around, and these are the 2-pack ones. These were like $7 a piece. If you know, you know that these wallflowers, one of them can be that $7. So to do these double packs to be like $7 a piece, not bad. I mean, they're a little busted up because they probably was just falling all over the place or in the back or whatever, but pick this up. This scent, wild tea and sage, is so relaxing, very fresh. It's just so fresh and soothing. I like the candle. I've had the candle before. Did not see the candle at this location, so I just picked up all of these white tea and sage. They only had 3, so I picked them up. The soaps were $3, so I picked up Island Papaya. This smells so good and sweet. Ooh, and fruity. It smells so good. Island Papaya. Also picked up 3 candles. So this first one is Hibiscus Waterfalls. It smells so good. It's like clean, fresh. It was giving me that eucalyptus kind of vibe, but just not that minty. But it smells really good. So Hibiscus Waterfalls. I don't know if they have any of these like candles that I picked up like permanently, or they just trying to get rid of everything because the semi-annual sale is that them trying to get rid of stuff. But that smelled really good. This other one smelled so good that I bought 2 of them. This one is the coconut and, is it vetiver? Vetiver. Don't judge me if I'm saying that wrong, but coconut and vetiver. Girl, this is what it looks like. Let me see what the notes are. So the notes are coconut milk, wild jasmine, vetiver with natural essential oils. Oh, I feel like I'm saying that word wrong. But coconut, can never go wrong with coconut. The notes that was in that other one, the notes that are in that hibiscus one is tropical hibiscus, sweet peach nectar, fresh waterfall mist, and then natural oils. So again, got that one and then 2 of these. Coconut is bomb, so I figured why not. And these were less than $10, I think. That's everything from Bath & Body Works, Nordstrom Rack, Wegmans, and Target. So I'm gonna put all this stuff away and figure out what the rest of the day is going to be. Or I may just go ahead and close out the vlog here. So I think this is going to be the end of this vlog. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Give this video a thumbs up for more vlogs. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.